Hey, what's up guys? I don't know if you have heard about the Sudio earbuds, but for me, I found out about the Sudio brand several weeks ago. They contacted me if I want to do a product review of their earbuds, so I jumped into their website and checked what are the products that they have there. Just to find out, yeah, they're making great products, so I said yes. They sent me this Sudio Tolv. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So inside this box are some add-ins. We have a card wallet, paper gift bag from Sweden. Alright, so this is the main product, Sudio Tolv. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So we got the manual, box of accessories, cable, then ear tips. We'll look into that more later. The main piece. I like the way it feels. It's smooth, rubbery kind of coating here. Let's check what else can we see. So it has a magnetic kind of lock, and if you try to see this one, this light indicates that it is charging, and if you pull it up, it's ready for connection. So the case has a built-in power bank that you can charge the earbuds 4 to 5 times. Each charge of the earbuds will give you 7 hours of playtime. You can simply remove these ear tips and try to replace it with the ear tips that comes with the package, because of course all of our ears doesn't fit the same size. So you kind of select that one and plug it back into the earbuds. Every time you put it back to the case, the earbuds will charge. Let's go ahead and try it. Each earbud has a marking of L and R that indicates which one you're put into your ear. You have a control button at the center that you can press to answer calls, play, pause music, and others. Now connecting the Sudio Tolv into your phone or your laptop is very simple. Just open up your Bluetooth settings and turn it on. It will scan Sudio Tolv earbuds, just connect to it, and then you're ready to go. You can play your favorite song, then start listening. I'm very impressed with the sound quality because it's excellent. It is clear, crisp, and sharp. However, it is not a bass-heavy earbud. All in all, I like these earbuds. The question is, will I recommend the Sudio earbuds at its price range? Yes, I definitely recommend it. This Sudio earbuds is in that classification of these higher-end class earbuds. If you try to compare this with its classification, it is way cheaper, like the AirPods. Now, if you want to get one of these, you can get a 35% discount in any product that they sell on their website using our coupon code YTToroge. All the links will be in the description below. The 35% discount will only last until November 30. I hope you're going to grab your earbuds soon. See you in my next video.